everyone, this is Anam and you're watching Nexus. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Dose. And in today's video, we are going to learn about 5 different ways to say I'm so sad and I have no money. So let's get started. So firstly go with I'm sad. How to say I'm sad in different 5 ways. Number 1, I feel blue. Number 2, I'm fed up. Number 3, I'm upset. Number 4, I'm feeling down. And number 5, I'm down in dumps. These are the 5 different ways you can say instead of I'm sad. Now let's go towards I have no money. So instead of I have no money, you can say number 1, I'm broke. Number 2, I'm down and out. Number 3, I'm penniless. Number 4, I'm strapped for cash. And number 5, I'm short on cash. So these are the 5 different ways to say I have no money and I'm so sad. If you like this video, hit the like button and keep watching Nexus. Thank you so much. Take care. Happy learning.